If Microsoft Edge is giving you error-free, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that can help repair the issue and get Edge working again. This is a simple troubleshooting method you can try before moving on to more advanced solutions, and it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open the control panel on your Windows PC. You can search for control panel in the start menu and open it from there. Once the control panel is open, look for Microsoft Edge in the installed programs list. Right-click on Microsoft Edge, and if you see an option to change or repair it, click that option. This can sometimes refresh the browser installation and fix damaged files that are causing the error. Follow any prompts that appear and let the process complete. After that, the next step is to check your Windows system files. To do that, open the command prompt as an administrator. You can search for CMD in the start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will scan your Windows system files and automatically try to repair any corrupted files it finds. The scan may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish. Once it's done, restart your computer and try opening Microsoft Edge again. In many cases, this combination of repairing Edge and running the system file checker is enough to resolve error-free. If the problem is still there after that, you may need to repeat the steps carefully or try checking for Windows updates as well. But for most users, this method is a fast and effective first fix. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.